If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing PUBG, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce stuttering and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Go to the Settings menu, select the Graphics tab, and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This will lessen the load on your system and help maintain a smoother frame rate. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Hardware and Soundbar options and select the High Performance plan. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Use Task Manager to identify and close any resource-heavy programs. Step 5. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Ensure you are connected to a reliable network and consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. This can help reduce lag and improve overall gameplay performance. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your PUBG gaming experience. Enjoy smoother gameplay and better performance.